we are.
Hello. I work at a job, and my boss drives me.
And this is a place of employment that someone cared about long before I joined it. This is a place where momentum was going, and it offered an opportunity for me to dovetail right where I am. We're just trying to get a little wobble free going.
Gotcha.
Before my boss drives me crazy.
Well, that was really what I was going to say. Is he just drives me nuts.
Esther told someone the other day, and she really meant it. In order for you to drive someone crazy, they have to be on the edge. On the edge of crazy.
Oh, yes. Gotcha.
On the edge of crazy.
Yes.
You have to be really near the edge of crazy for someone else to put you over the edge.
Yeah, okay.
Sort of co-creation at its best, don't you think?
Makes sense, yep. Makes sense.
So what do you think? What do you think? Now, we could talk about your boss and all the things that he does that drive you crazy, but there's no power for you in that.
No.
So what do you think is happening in your vibration that causes you to match up with that aspect of him? First of all, do you think he's always in the drive someone crazy mode? Does he just stay there, drive crazy, and drive crazy, and anybody that comes into his trap gets driven crazy? Or do you think sometimes he's not in the let me drive someone crazy mode?
Sometimes he's not, yeah.
So what's up with you? Rendezvousing with the he drives me crazy mode. Have you seen glimpses of anything other than that in your boss? Does he seem intelligent?
Yes.
Has he got it going on business-wise?
Yes, he does.
Does he seem like he cares about his business?
Yes, absolutely.
Has he provided a stable environment in which you can earn income?
Yes.
What is your problem? we know.
I know.
We are only playing with you, mostly, sort of, kind of. So, do we need to say more?
I don't think so.
Well, it's annoying to understand that. Oh, no one likes to hear it. Esther argued with us a lot, especially in the beginning and yesterday. She still frequently asks, do I really have to be the one who's always tending to my vibration? Mommy? Can't it be somebody else's fault occasionally? And we say no. No, you get to choose what you focus on. But we will say that the better practiced you are, the easier it is for you to practice upon the components of anyone or anything that serve you better, you see. So what do you think your relationship with this person is most activating within you? We'll say it in 2 or 3 ways so you can really hear it. What unresolved wobble do you think you've got going on in your vibration that he seems to amplify?
I have to defend myself.
So it seems that it's there. So let's talk about the wobble at a little earlier wobble stage.
Okay.
I have to defend myself. So, do you feel not heard? Do you feel misunderstood? When you have to defend yourself, do you feel like you're right?
Yeah. I feel like I don't want to get hurt.
Hurt by being wrong?
Yes.
So when you're wrong, what's the downside of being wrong? Jerry always said, well, like the one-armed alligator wrangler, we learn as we go.
That's a good point. That's a really good point.
In what way could you be hurt? We want to put a disclaimer here. Even though it totally looks like we're making fun of all of you, we are not. In other words, we're just wanting to sort of jovially bring you into your awareness that it's all you, it's all you. So how could being found wrong hurt you?
Well, it would be like a lie that I'm less than what I really am, and I would be smaller than it'd be a lie.
So can you hear us when we say, and is it a lie? In other words,
yeah, it can't be true.
It isn't true. Of course it isn't true.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is, I don't trust others' perspective of me.
Uh-huh.
I don't trust their perspective of me. And so there's a big wobble in that, because I want to be trusted, but I don't believe I will be. So do you see that the way you get someone to trust you is by stopping that wobble?
I can sense that.
So what might you say? Let's just start like it's early in the day, and it's like that in this environment.
Okay.
Let's just proceed with some wobble-free comments about your trustworthiness.
Okay. Well, I'm actually pretty good at what I do, and I really do love myself, and I'm confident, and I'm learning, and I'm okay, and I can forgive myself if there's.
All right. Now those are all really good words, but if and this is the wonderful thing about a boss that drives you crazy.
Yes.
You see, the universe does not hear what you say. The universe hears what you mean.
Gotcha.
And you can't cover up your wobble with words.
Uh-huh.
So when you say, I'm really good at what I do, there wasn't very much wobble in that, except when you put that I'm actually pretty good at what I do. There was a little wobble in the actually part. But
Okay.
I'm pretty good at what I do. Not much wobble in that.
Gotcha.
But then when you went a little further, the wobble got to be a little greater. So let's start again,
Okay.
and so say some of that again more slowly,
Okay.
and let's stabilize.
Okay.
Let's stabilize each point. Let's make sure that each of those things you say has no wobble in it before we proceed to the next and the next and the next and the next. So that when you show up with that boss who's responding to your vibration, he'll respond to the vibration you meant to project, not to the one you're projecting by default. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, oh, boss of mine who drives me crazy, you are a pure reflector of how I really feel about myself. And I appreciate so much that you are reading me truly. But it's not going to last for long, because I am changing the vibration of my being. And soon you will know me as my inner being knows me. Boss of mine, you will know me as my inner being knows me as soon as I know me as my inner being knows me.
Gotcha. Beautiful.
So when you feel discord, it's because you're not loving yourself like your inner being loves you.
Right.
So more accurate words would be, I want to love myself, as I know the source within me does, but I'm not as practiced at it because I keep responding to conditions around me instead of to a vibration that I have deliberately established. Ooh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
All you have to do is meet up with someone who seems to be powerful. They're a teacher, or maybe a parent, or one of your peers, somebody that you respect and care about what they think, and they stand as a condition that doesn't appreciate you because they're not in the mode of appreciating anybody, and you let them train you into the way you feel about you, but your inner being never yields to someone's negative thought about you.
Gotcha.
And when you do, there's discord in your vibration.
Gotcha.
So let's start the wobble-free conversation again. I'm really good. I'm actually pretty darn good at what I do. What did you say next?
I'm pretty darn good at what I do. I trust myself.
I want to trust myself.
I want to trust
I
myself.
know that my inner being is with me. And I'm developing trust in myself. Because thought by thought, I'm feeling how the thought that I'm thinking feels. So when I say I love myself, I can feel that what I really want to say is I want to love myself. But I do have lovable characteristics. I'm reliable and I'm dependable. And I care about what I do. And I've trained myself to be pretty good at what I do. And I'm a really good employee. And I will serve this person well. It'll be I was a good find for that person.
Yeah.
I know that I know that I am a good find for that person.
Gotcha.
And that person is a good find for me. I want to believe that we are a good match. I do. I want to believe that we are a good match. I want to believe that we are a good match.
Yeah.
I want to believe that we've come together for a really good reason.
Yeah.
I'm a good match.
Yeah.
I'm actually really good at what I do, and I'm a good match for this, and I'm a reliable person. I'm a good employee. I'm glad that I'm here.
Gotcha.
What else? Now,
Yeah.
there's no wobble in that.
Right.
Did you feel no wobble there? Did you
Yeah.
get it?
Yeah.
No wobble.
Yeah.
Now what?
And together we both care about our clients.
Now, there's no wobble there. Isn't that something?
Yeah.
We both care about our clients.
Right.
And I'm up closer to them. I'm up closer to them where I can really sense them. I'm getting a sense of what they want.
Yeah.
And I'm fixated on what they really want. I'm single-minded in helping them get to where they want to be.
Yeah.
And therefore, my clients, our clients, really trust me because they can feel my undivided, ever heard that? My undivided, ever heard that before? Undivided attention on this. They can feel my undivided attention.
Yeah.
Eventually, I will be in another place. I know I'm not going to work here forever, but this is such a good place for me to be right now. Such a really good place for me to be right now. I like that there is someone who reflects back to me what I'm really feeling. Sort of a mirror. I like that. And it's fun. It's fun to get control of my vibration and then watch how it manifests with those around me.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah, it does.
I'm just sort of eager to
Yep.
get all clear and all happy and go to work and find a whole new boss there.
Yes.
What did you do with my real boss?
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Yeah.